Hey everyone. So if Tinfoil isn't showing new games, yeah, you're definitely not the only one. This usually happens after repo changes or outdated settings. In this video, I'll walk you through the new 2026 method to fix it step by step. And we'll keep it quick and simple. Alright, first things first. Make sure your Switch is actually connected to the internet. I know, obvious, but Tinfoil won't refresh new titles without a stable connection. Next, fully close Tinfoil. Don't just minimize it. Press the home button, close the software completely, then reopen it. This forces the shop data to reload, which fixes the issue surprisingly often. Now we're going to refresh the cache. Inside Tinfoil, open the File Browser or Options menu, then look for the Refresh or Reload option. This clears outdated listings and pulls new game data from the server. If new games still aren't appearing, the shop source might be outdated. Go into File Browser, open your sources list, and check if your repo link is still active. If needed, remove it and add the updated source again. Yeah, this one surprises people. Incorrect system time can actually block content updates. Go to System Settings, Date, and Time, and enable automatic time sync through the internet. If you're running an older version of Tinfoil, new listings may not load at all. Download the latest release and replace the existing files on your SD card. After updating, launch Tinfoil again and let it fully load. Once everything's updated, reopen Tinfoil and give it a minute to sync. Head back to the New Games or Latest tab, and you should now see updated titles appearing normally. And that's it. Quick fix, no complicated setup. If this helped, feel free to like the video, and yeah, check the channel for more simple Switch fixes and guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.